Hey, what's up? This is Jason Hopkins, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how you're still generating leads, but you're still not getting those results. So now, before I begin, I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future content that I provide you. Now, I want to discuss with you the pitfalls that you could be facing when you're generating leads, but you're still not having a breakthrough. Now, one common mistake is when you bore people that don't know who you are, right? Every piece of email content that you're sending then could be ads where people are not interested in your offer. Now remember, keep in mind, people read emails, they don't read ads. So you must get your subscribers to know, like, and trust you. Stop sending them ads and focus on sharing, compelling stories and educate your audience. You want to try to, you want to kind of shift you want to get into their paradigm, right? And another problem is not knowing what you're doing when you're subscribing to these online tools where you're buying leads, where it's a list of people that's not even engaging in any of your emails. You're not getting any opens, and the thing is, you're buying something where you don't know where these leads are coming from. So you don't want to, spend money. You don't want to throw money away on programs that's not getting you any open rates in your emails. And if none of your subscribers are not opening any of your emails, then get them the fuck off your list. And another challenge is not knowing who your ideal customers are. It's like you're shitting in the dark. You want to identify who your target market is and find where they congregate. You want to be building your tribe and give valuable, you want to give value by educating and create a long-time friendship with your dream customer. Now, many marketers, they cast a wide net hoping to attract anyone and everyone. And in reality, you should narrow it down for a better, targeting and higher conversion rates. Well, that's all I got for you for this video. I trust you got value from this video, and if so, let me know in the comments below what your biggest takeaway was. And for more helpful tips, check out my blog in the description box below. This is Jason Hopkins. Peace out.